Oh, hey, I didn't see you standing there. Sorry. It's a wet, yucky day, and I'm thirsty. Let's do some booze. Today we have a collaboration from New Belgium and Flying Embers. It's Ojai Session Sour. Sour beer blended with hard kombucha tea and pixie tangerine extract and sage. And dogs, whiny dogs, begging for a ball to be thrown. Now, Flying Embers is local-ish. Oh, right here in Ojai. Well, not right here, because nothing's here. But Ojai is nearby, which would explain the name, Ojai. And they make some good kombuchas and such. Let's see. The session sour is dreamed up with our friends at Flying Embers, based in Ojai, California, pronounced Ojai, and features the original essence kombucha tea with pixie tangerine extract added and then blended with New Belgium's wood aged golden sour and a touch of Colorado sage. It's 1 part California and 1 part Colorado, and all parts crushable. Cheers. Aren't you glad I let you in on all that? 6.5% ABV, which is a little high for something supposedly session. But, smells like kombucha. Kind of looks like kombucha. Spent a couple days camping in Ojai last month and rode through last week on my way up over the mountains and into the desert. And somebody's got a brew house in Ojai. Who was it? They had good beer, okay food. Oh well, I'll think of it at some point. Chief Peak, Topa Topa. Their Chief Peak IPA is one of my go-tos. So Topa Topa Brewing, good beer. Beer and kombucha combined. It's a first for me. Let's see. Smells like a sour kombucha. Still. It's a sour. It's surely a sour. I don't know what she's chasing down there. Deer have been coming and hanging around lately. Okay. Now that I got the puckering out of the way, that's pretty good. The tangerine is definitely, once you get past the sour, that's the predominant flavor. Picking up the hints of sage. It really is, if this were a kombucha on its own, it may be the best one I've ever had. If it were a sour on its own, it would be pretty good. So as a combination, it's good. It's hard to even wrap your brain around the blend of barking dogs and kombucha or beer. This works. Not everyone can handle a sour. I happen to really like a good sour once in a while. Not every day, but There's a brewery in up near Cambria. Anyway, Central California up on the coast that does fantastic sours. I can't remember their name. Or the name of the town. But it's heading up towards Cambria and up that direction. And Firestone also makes a couple darn good sours. They experiment with wild yeast strains in their Baja. No, the camera's not going to throw the ball. Hey, sorry. Anyway, they do incredible things with wild yeast strains at their Barrel Works project, and I like this. Over a kombucha, it would be like a 5. As a sour, it's a 3.5, which gives it a combined score of like 4 probably for the collaboration. I encourage more collaborations between kombucha and brews if they come out this good. Of course, my score is subject to change without notice depending on my mood, how it warms. Session or drinks like this don't necessarily improve like others as they get close to room temperature. This would be delicious on a hot summer day. Wish I'd had it when I was camping up in the desert. But it's yummy, and I like it. It's a thumbs up. So, oh, and before I forget, for the benefit of those of you with flash photography, you're welcome. Anyway, that's all we got. Y'all have a great day, and cheers!